kids! Welcome to Easy Kids Art. Today we are going to draw a cute fish. Let's start. First, draw a small eye. Next, draw the fish's mouth. Now draw the head and fish body. Now draw the top fin. Draw the side fins. Next, draw the tail. Now let's draw some bubbles above the fish. Our fish is blowing bubbles. Now, let's color our fish. Color the body yellow and orange. You can add some orange on the scales. Wow! Great job! Our fish is swimming in the water. Your fish looks amazing! Don't forget to like and subscribe to Easy Kids Art for more fun drawings. See you in the next drawing. Bye!